Last year for Christmas one of my gifts was a panini press. Since then we have enjoyed many different varieties of panini sandwiches. The prosciutto and bell pepper panini has become one of our favorites and I would love to share it with you. What you will need: 2 medium red bell peppers, half-tin seeded 2 TBSP and 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 8 slices of a good sourdough bread or 2, 4x6 in, pieces of focaccia, split 1/2 Cuban pesos, garlic herb, spreadable cheese, 4 slices provolone cheese, 1/2 ounce, 4 ounces thinly sliced prosciutto, 12 or so fresh basil leaves or 12 spinach leaves, 2 TBSP olive oil. First thing you will want to do is to preheat your panini press grill to medium heat, 300 to 350 degrees. Next brush or rub the outside of the bell pepper halves with 2 teaspoons of oil. Place the peppers skin side down on the grill. Grill, covered for 8 to 10 minutes until skins are charred. Remove the peppers from the grill and place them in a large Ziploc plastic bag, then let them stand for 5 to 10 minutes. While waiting for the peppers, spread one side of each of the slices of bread with the garlic herb cheese. Next, top the 4 slices with the provolone and 2 slices of prosciutto. Set aside. Next, remove the peppers from the plastic bag and remove the skins. Discard skins. Slice the peppers into 1/4 inch slices and arrange on top of cheese and prosciutto. Then top with basil or spinach leaves and top with remaining slice of bread. Brush both sides of the bread with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place both sandwiches on the panini press. Close press and grill for 2 to 4 minutes or until bread is browned and cheese has melted. These sandwiches are great served with fresh cut up veggies and fruit, a salad, or just by themselves. The sky is the limit when it comes to making a great panini. Look for more of my favorite panini sandwich recipes soon. This recipe will serve 4 adults. The prep time involved is approximately 10 minutes and the total cooking time for all 4 sandwiches is approximately 15 minutes. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.